Well, you can see John's not using a blanket tonight, and that is one of the reasons we're cooler, huh?
No. Oh, is that how that works?
That's what I'm watching.
Exactly it. He's referring to the fact that the clouds are not quite over us just yet, and that's kind of acts like a blanket normally holding in our temperatures, but that hasn't happened yet. Though we're watching, excuse me, watching these clouds continue to push into the Tennessee Valley. That gives you a real indication of this, the moisture that's available for the next rainmaker, which is going to come out of the Gulf, work its way into Alabama, Georgia. The heaviest amount or deepest moisture will stay across central Florida, and by the time we get to Saturday morning, it's working its way offshore pretty quickly. It's following this area of high pressure. Here's the surface low associated with it. Look how quickly the front comes through. By 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon, front is clearing the coast, and rather quickly our skies will clear out. But here's the big difference. There's nothing severe this time because the jet stream's not part of this system, and there's no real strong winds behind it. Look at the isobars of equal pressure. They're more north-south as opposed to driving in behind the front northwest to southeast. So we're going to get a break in terms of what we've been seeing the last couple of storms that they've gone by. There may be some significant moisture, especially low country counties. Into the blue, you're approaching over ½ an inch of rain, total cumulative rainfall. And for winds, all the real gusty winds should stay right here along the coast. That's good news, and in the higher elevations of the Appalachians between Tennessee and North Carolina. So that's the setup, and it won't do this all weekend long. We're clear now, so no blanket. 38 degrees for our current temperature, 84% the relative humidity. Winds are currently calm. We made it up to 55 today. Pressure continues to rise. It will start to fall as that rainmaker approaches. 1:40 in the morning, our next low tide. 7:47 our next high tide. Moon looks full tonight, but it's actually tomorrow night is the full cold moon. Look at our sunrise at 7:24. For mariners, no problems for tomorrow. A very low risk of any rip currents, but take a look at Saturday. Small craft advisory with southwest winds 20 to 25 knots and seas at 5 to 7 feet. First alert live Doppler Max 11 forecast then for tonight. Quiet and chilly. 32 degrees should be our low here in town. We'll see some 20s farther outlying areas. Then 61 tomorrow. Clouds on the increase. Partly cloudy early, mostly cloudy later. We'll be more optimistic and stay partly cloudy. But the rain chances are overnight Friday into Saturday, and it's an 80% chance of rain done by the middle of the day. Sunday, Monday, dry. Look at Jan 1, Jan 2, and Jan 3. All 3 days have a 30% chance of showers from this distance. Don't expect anything severe there either, but kind of a wet and dreary way to start 2013. Should be dry New Year's Eve. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather. Have a great day tomorrow.
80% on Saturday, though.
Done by 1.
Okay, that's good.
So the rest of the afternoon you should be fine.
All right, thanks, John. And just seeing the sights, when something goes